slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go.
Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a new day and it's gonna be exciting. Jeez, look, it's early in the morning. Early in the morning. AMG. Yes, sir. She's dirty. We're gonna go wash it later. We got the ISF coming out. Yeah, today's video is about this one right here. The old C7. We're gonna be putting her back to stock. Thanks to California. So yeah, we're gonna get a cold start here in a bit. Extremely loud. And then we're gonna go wash this as well too. And this is not mine. Just working on a buddy's Corvette. Basically a customer, but he's a buddy, so you know how it is. But yeah, so that's what today's video is gonna be about. Do a little bit with the C7. Go take it for a little spin when I'm done. Yeah. I'm gonna go in here and wake my pops up. It's early. I gotta move this car out so I can get up in this garage and start getting this day going. Trying to start early so I get done early. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh, damn. Fitted up. Oh, shoot. Representing.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up. Got the trues on? Dang. Where you going?
I'm going to Chillerton.
What?
Let me get this beast started up.
Cold start? Alright, you guys ready for this cold start? It's super dramatic. Super dramatic. I wish. Yeah, no, that's it's a buddy of mine. Alright, so here it is. Hopefully it didn't get too warm from that cold start. I didn't let it warm up too much. So yeah, we're gonna move some stuff out of the way. You guys seen the last video. Shouldn't be too crazy. Just get it done. This side's way more exposed, so we'll probably start on this side. Yeah, just, you know, gotta pull the coil, what is it, gotta pull the wires, and then, I want to say I did this without pulling the spark plugs, so I don't think I'm gonna pull the spark plugs, and then just gotta be careful getting them in and out. Then I had to go underneath the car and unbolt shit too, so I don't know if I want to start underneath the car or not. Due to the fact that I already made a video on how to install these, there's no need for me to make a video on how I'm doing this job. I was just bringing you along as to what I'm doing today. So more so, I'm going to hit you guys up when I'm pretty much done with this thing, unless I run into some problems. And then we'll go just for a drive and talk about the C7, in other words. So let me get this going before it gets too hot. Then we'll go get this thing washed. Alright. So we can see that on both sides I got everything exposed. So just got to pull the bolts off of the headers. Over here, it's a little more complicated, but we still got room. Everything's off, ready to go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna spray some anti-seize on there. Not anti-seize. What is that stuff called? Some PV blaster. If I still even have any, let me see. That we do. Okay, get some PV blaster on there. That always helps. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go underneath the car and start doing everything from the bottom that needs to be done. So then I can come back up and just loosen the bolts, and then they'll drop down. So, all right. I know I'm not really keeping you too step by step. Not trying to. Just giving you an update. All right, coming back to you with a sweaty update. But yeah, so as you can see, headers are down. I'll take that control box out, and then I'll come to this side. You can see the headers are down. Just need to pull them out now. If you look underneath, I got everything unbolted, and I guess you can't see much of that, but there's the headers. They're hanging. I got to do the O2s now. And the whole X pipe's unbolted, and the bracket, and the cover, and all that. So yeah, making progress slowly. Everything's been smooth, so we'll just keep it up. So the cool thing is you're able to really see how restricted the stock ones are. Like they're these little tiny thin tubed, you know, and then they come down over here to a cap, you know, compared to the headers, you know, a lot thicker, and it's 4 into 1. So just you can see how it makes more power compared to what's going back in, you know. So yeah, like I said, we're doing good, making progress. Let's get these back in. Let's get this thing back on the ground. Okay, and it's been about an hour or two later, but she's back on the ground, completely all back together, nothing broke. There's the headers. I'll take you with me on the first start. I'll see if it even starts. See if I do everything right. Well, the door's open. Okay. Let's go in. Alright. And oh, she's on. I'm gonna clean myself up real quick. We'll pull this out, go take it to get washed. Two monsters. Well, the AMG will eat this one, but this one looks good. Alright, so we're smashing around in the vet. Just got done getting it washed, and it's such a fun car, and it makes me miss my old Corvettes. Not the C5, but like my LS3s and stuff. And but it's fun. But I honestly can say, and this is the truth, if I was to buy a C7, which probably I won't, but I would definitely buy the automatic. I'm not joking. Like it is just so fun to drive this car with automatic and the paddles and stuff, and the way it sounds and the downshifts. It's awesome. Like it's awesome. It feels good. It looks good. And a lot of people ask probably like, okay, why won't you get the C7? And really, I like to recline my seat all the way back, and you can't recline all the way back in a C7, and that's really what it is. I like comfortability, but this thing is nice. I really like it. It's fun. It's a good weekend car, like where date night, like you're just gonna pull up and go somewhere. But as a daily car, it's not practical. I don't think so. But it's fun, it's sleek, it's dope, I like it. So, got the extended paddles on it. But it just all murdered out, relaxed, looks good. Yeah, it's fun, you know, you just downshift it, just sound. Look how fast
know, and not the fastest transmission, but it's just like the sportiness of it and the way it feels it's just nice. I like it. And then like I love this feature right here where you can the hidden screen. You know, you throw the strap back there. That shit's so dope. But yeah, that's basically it. Today was just a fun little video, just, you know, throwing out some content for you guys, showing you that, you know, this is what I do on a normal. I work on cars and you know, do car stuff pretty much. Yeah, so hooked my buddy up, had to get him back to stock so he can go smog it, and that's about it really. I don't know what else I'm getting into today. I don't know, I might be buying another project. Honestly, I can't decide if I'm buying another project or if I just build the Ranger already. But like the Ranger for me, like a lot of people talk about it, the Ranger's sentimental and I don't want to do a whole lot to it. I just wanted to make it reliable and just drive it reliably as a daily. So, you know, a lot of people like drift the Ranger or, you know, do this and that. I'm like, yeah, if it was just like a normal ass car, like, and it didn't have sentimental value to it, like, then like, yeah, like I would definitely be doing something like that. But that's why I haven't done anything with it. It just sits there. It's just having it, you know, it just means something to me. So I don't know yet. I might buy another project. I don't know. Maybe I just go buy some new clothes for once instead of, you know, always buying cars. I always buying cars. Every other month, something new. So. But, you know, I like it, dude. I get lots of looks in this car right here. You know, I'm about to borrow this on the weekend, take my girl out on a date. It's like some people will be like, but you got an AMG that, you know, it's like, yeah, it's just fun to get another type of nice car, you know. It really is. So, you know, I gotta say a big shout out to my boy Luis, though. This is his whip. And I gotta say, you know, thanks for trusting me. You know, I appreciate it, you know, having me pick the car up and, you know, getting to drive it and do some things with it. And, you know, and trusting me to do your work. So it's cool. I appreciate that. So shout out to Luis. But yeah, we're pulling up to the house right now. Gonna go chill. I was dripping sweat working on this thing. And yeah, that's about it. So I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here yet, but we'll see right now. I'll probably not ending it yet. We got the rest of this day to go, so we might go get into something else. So stay tuned for what I do next. Okay, so I'm actually gonna end the video here just because I did end up going and doing something. And yeah, I'll be revealing this in the next episode, but looks like we got another project for the channel, so stay tuned. So we out of here. Thanks for everybody who's been following along, and stay tuned for the next video, because who can guess what I got? I don't know. I'm not even gonna drop it in social media. You gotta have to wait for the next video. So I'm out of here. You